means we've had two record-setting days back-to-back. And now the scramble is on to understand what it means. 8 on Your Side investigative reporter Mahsa Saeidi is in our newsroom. And Mahsa, officials looking at, is this connected to the reopening?
Yeah, and some officials do believe that, Stacey. Now, to understand what these numbers mean, you have to look at a set of different indicators. Well, we have done that, and it appears that the situation in Florida is getting more serious. We have never seen numbers like this. Florida added nearly 2,000 new coronavirus cases on Friday. And now experts no longer believe the spike is purely caused by an increase in testing.
There's also an increasing number of cases beyond just the increasing number of tests that we're running.
Dr. John Green is the chief of infectious diseases at Moffitt. He's been tracking multiple indicators to understand why Florida's cases are soaring.
Hospitalization rates, which have been going down, seem to be now increasing.
We're seeing more people go to the emergency room with flu-like symptoms, and it quite possibly could be coronavirus.
Exactly, because we're not in the flu season. There's a possibility that because of going from phase 1 to phase 2, we're having more cases.
Tonight, no plans to press pause in the Sunshine State. Governor Ron DeSantis says hospitalizations have decreased in parts of Florida.
Duval County, where they're going to have the Republican National Committee, Memorial Day weekend to the present, COVID hospitalizations are down 50%.
And the governor still attributes the spike to an increase in testing. He says the state has targeted sites of outbreaks. So tonight, there's no calls at all to bring back the lockdown. And I want to point out that Florida has never even gotten close to reaching hospital capacity. But you can bet the experts are closely watching these daily numbers as they're released. And it looks like it keeps going up, Stacey.
Mahsa, I've also noticed people are relaxing those social distancing guidelines. Many people not wearing masks anymore, even to the grocery store. Are local leaders calling for action on that?
So today I spoke with Hillsborough County Commissioner Kimberly Overman, who represents the 7th District, and she has noticed the same thing too. And she's trying to get the health department to identify a surge. And she says so far they have not identified what a surge is. So we really don't know at what point we need to take more action, but definitely continue to follow the social guidance.
Yeah, and we heard the governor say this is not a surge, so we will continue to follow. Mahsa Saeidi, live in the newsroom. Thank you.